Withdrawing money from your Amazon account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the correct account where your funds are located. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your payments. In the account settings, look for the Your Payments section. Click on it to view your payment methods and any available balances that can be withdrawn. Step 4. Select Withdraw Funds. Within the Your Payments section, find the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter bank details and confirm. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details if they are not already saved. After entering the necessary information, confirm the withdrawal amount and submit your request. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds, which may take a few days to appear.